Hi there, welcome along to Bacon and Thyme. I'm Dan, I'm going to be your new online cooking mentor. I'm here to help you learn new skills, become more knowledgeable about the ingredients you use, and to help you become a more creative and resourceful cook. And hopefully we'll have a little bit of fun along the way. So what do we actually do here at Bacon and Thyme? So we have the Bacon blog, where we will be uploading quick, fun recipes for you. We'll also have some news from the hospitality trade. We'll have stories focusing on all the local food businesses in the area and all the great local produce we're lucky to have here in lovely West Sussex in the heart of the South Downs. Yeah, so we'll be talking about that all on the blog. Next thing is on the recipes tab, I'll be uploading some of my recipes from across the years and things that I'm cooking now. This will be sort of slightly more in-depth, slightly more technical things than the blog posts. And we'll be building this up as we go along. So keep checking back as we go through the seasons. We'll add some seasonal stuff that's really important to use seasonal ingredients. Check back for updates on the recipe tab as we go along. So the next thing we're going to do is I will be reviewing some of my favourite cookbooks and cooking reference books for your food education. So the first book that we are going to review is this book, The Flavour Thesaurus by Nikki Signet. It's my copy. It's been with me a long time. It's much loved. It's great for flavour pairings, helping you to become slightly more creative and slightly more thoughtful about the flavour combinations you use. So that's the first book. Also, as well as on the website, we will be doing video reviews for all the books over on the YouTube channel, which is Makesnacksnotwar. The next thing we're going to do is on the lessons tab, we'll be having theory lessons and step-by-step practical lessons for all manner of things across the board from the world of cooking to help you improve your skills. We will also be having on the YouTube channel, we'll also have video lessons and video tutorials. So again, please go to the YouTube channel, that's Makesnacksnotwar. Check those videos out. Again, we'll be adding more of those as we go along. And then the last thing that we're going to do here at Bacon and Thyme is I will be, hopefully in the future, able to offer one-to-one cooking lessons over Zoom. If you're interested in that, please do get in contact. Go to the contact tab and send us an email. That will be a consultation to sort of see what you want to get out of the lesson, what you want to improve, anything that you want to learn how to cook is really based around you and what you want to achieve. Drop us a message and then we'll take it from there. So that's really what we're going to try and do here at Bacon and Thyme. Please do check back. We'll be growing the site the whole time. Again, please go to the YouTube channel, Makesnacksnotwar. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.